In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Canva app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're trying to install your Canva app from Google Play Store but you are getting this or any other related error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, just go back and open your Google Play Store app, and first you want to ensure that you are logged in with your Gmail. However, if you are already logged in but unable, then tap on the profile icon up here and go down to settings. From settings, look for this option, network preferences option. And now if you tap on network preferences, go to this option, app download preference. As you can see, currently it is set to over Wi-Fi only. You want to change this to over any network. From this, go to OK and then try to download your app. But should this still fail, then most likely the problem might be with Google Play Store app. For that, we need to troubleshoot Play Store by going to settings on your phone, and from settings, go to apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Play Store, tap on it to open. And the first thing to do here is to force stop the app. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this error. Then go to clear data and clear cache and OK. Once you're done, now you'll need to restart your smartphone. Then check and then see if you're using any VPN app, turn it off or uninstall it, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. Now if you go to Play Store, tap on search and search Canva. Now we want to try and install it to see if the problem has been fixed. So I'll tap on install, and now look at that. I'm now able to download and install Canva app on my smartphone. However, if you still get any challenge, then check and then see if space is the issue. You'll need to free up space by deleting some of the apps or files that you no longer need. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.